Assalamu alaikum, my beloved students. How are you? Hope you are fine. By the grace of Almighty Allah, welcome to an IBS Home School. Here I am Lokman, assistant teacher of National Ideal English Version School, Deship. Now I am going to conduct an information and communication technology class for the students of class 8. Our today's discussion topic has been taken from your textbook, page number 55, 56 and 57. In these pages, we will talk about the spreadsheet program, how to open a new spreadsheet program, and what are the techniques we can follow to open a new spreadsheet or Excel program. My beloved students, in our last class we talked about the basic information about spreadsheet program and how to open a spreadsheet program. Now, in our today's discussion, we will talk about to open a new spreadsheet program. Let's have a look in our today's discussion. First of all, the system of opening new worksheet. This is my lecture 6, HW5. The system of opening new worksheet when the Excel is shown below. At the very beginning, you will see the top of the page, new, there is an option new. Just click on the option new. Take your cursor to here, drag your cursor to the new. Then click the office button. After clicking the office button, then you will get this page. After getting, then you will see new button or new option. Click on the new option, then another page will be appeared. The technique of using new spreadsheet software. We have already learned that the grid of worksheet appears in the spreadsheet as columns and rows. We know that in the grid we will find the columns and rows. At the top of the side we will get columns, and in the left side we will get rows. And our column will be considered and indicated with English alphabets A, B, C, D, etc. And our rows will be indicated as numerical numbers. I mean 1, 2, 3, 4. If I say, just have a look on the board. If I say E10, there is a cell. If you indicate a cell by writing E10, it indicates that this E means a column. E is a column here, and 10 is row. So whenever you will get this row or this cell, then you can start writing here. You can start importing your information. You can type here number or alphabets. This is here started your new worksheet program. Okay. Again, the title of every column and row is indicated with English alphabets and numerical figures respectively. So the address of or the reference to every cell in the grid remains separate and specific as well. For example, by E10, the cell position at the intersection of the column number E, row number 10 is indicated. Here you can have a look. This is the column A, B, C, D, E is written here, and this is a row, and this is the row number 10 is highlighted. You can have a look. Column number E and row number 10 is highlighted. I mean the cell is here. In this cell you can start writing your worksheet program or spreadsheet program. In the figure, the position of cell E10 is shown. In the figure is shown here E10 cell. Take the cursor to any of the cells and type in letters or numbers with the keyboard. With the help of keyboard, you can write this cell letters or numbers. You have started to use your spreadsheet program from here. Now you can take the cursor to any cell of the worksheet by moving the arrow key also. If you move your arrow key, then you can move your cursor also. Of course, you can use your mouse also. Now, arithmetical functions in spreadsheet program. We can do many calculations in our spreadsheet program, in Excel program. We can do addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Now we will see how to do addition and subtraction program. Different kinds of mathematical calculations can be done by using spreadsheet. We learn how to do addition and subtraction by using Excel program. In addition is done in two ways, you know that. Number one is automatically, another one is manual. Okay, for both the calculation, taking the cursor to the cell of result, you need to move your cursor to the cell of result, then click this. For example, for manual summation, write equal sign first. For manual, you have to write equal sign, and the formula in the result cell, this has been shown in the image. Here is given, all are written here in result cell. In result cell is written. Then besides, we can get summation by applying formula, by indicating cell range which cells will be included for summation is shown here. First of all, equal sign, then sum A1, then colon D1. A1, what does mean it? A1 D1. What does mean it? It means that A1, B1, C1 and D1. A1 colon D1, it indicates from A to D is made here. From A to D is done by here. Okay. The summation of data in A1, B1, C1 and D1 will be made. Okay, now let's start to do subtraction from our Excel or spreadsheet program. The subtraction process in Excel worksheet is little bit different because there is not any automatic subtraction process. So by inserting formula in the process by result cell, subtraction can be done. In the picture below, the system of subtraction has been given. You need to drag your cursor to result key and then you can write. So this is all about our today discussion. I hope you have understood. You need to first of all you need to drag your cursor to the office button, then click all programs. After getting the all programs, then you need to click on the office or Excel. After that, then you can follow this instruction to go on. My beloved students, is going on a very odd situation or corona situation. Make your time effective. You are passing the golden time in your life. So make the time and situation effective. You can read and you can take preparation for your JHC exam. So it's undoubtedly, we can say that you must face JHC exam. So take preparation from today. Don't delay to submit HW. Now take your HW. Describe the technique of using a new spreadsheet software. Just describe the technique of using a new spreadsheet program. We have already talked about the techniques how to open a new spreadsheet program. This is your HW and submit this HW coming Sunday. Stay safe, stay home, don't go outside. Listen to your parents. See you soon with next video. Allah Hafiz.